They say the private jet of Minister of Power of Tinubu government don't crash. No be smart, you know. And they say the heavily Biafra Liberation Army enter inside the Imo State market. Everybody was happy, according to as they talk. No be smart. After the battle with Nigeria Army this morning, check the update wey we dey to now. Yeah, I'm go find out how this thing take happen. Oh, yeah, my wonderful people, welcome back to Balabas Gist. If today na the first time wey they come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. As e dey hot, oh, na so we dey bring and they come. They say that Biafra Liberation Army now for inside the one market wey dey for Imo State come outside come tell their people say, oh, wetin they want now peace for their place. They no want a war, but if any war come, say they go carry am. No be smart, you know. If you see men with a heavy arm, as I see this video now, I can remember when they start this struggle. No arm, no matches, no machete, no stick, only flag now they carry. But finally, see where they dey today. If they take government, we know they hear something. They say na kai nama na better for them. As it don't be now, the same people where you the flog for inside water don't carry waiting pass waiting you carry. No be smart, you know. As we they talk am right now, na so we take see am. We go play the video, may you watch wetin dey happen before we jump for other ogbonge news wey we get for hand today.
As you can see, the market is moving. The market is moving. We want peace in Biafra land. Peace. That's what we want in Biafra land. We don't want violence. But since they don't want to give all what belongs to us, we will take it by fire, by force. We are moving. We are coming. No one will take away what belongs to us for us. This is our land, and you must take away our land.
Musemen no dey.
Essentialism.
Musemen no dey. Musemen no dey. Ebo. We
As you
are
can
the
see,
Biafra Liberation Army. We have come to take what belongs to us. No matter what it takes, no matter what Nigeria does, but we are here to defend our land. Never give them that chance again. Never give them that opportunity again to ride over us. We have come to protect our land. No matter what they do, no matter the kind of weapon they come with, but we are here to defend, to defeat them and collect whatever they come with. So far the land of Biafra is concerned, we have come to possess our possession. We are talking to our brothers, our sisters, our mother to come into their home, come into their family, take care of their farms, their business, whatever they are doing. No more running. We are here to guide and protect them. We are here to guide and protect their lives and their property. No Nigeria forces will come here again to destroy or to kill. As we talk, it remains like that. No one challenge the children of Kpai and goes free. As we say it remains like that in the name of Kpai. Rugged. After rugged, no, it's good to go. No surrender.
still at a Kututu market. Still at a Kututu. Thank you.
Yeah, my wonderful people. No be smart, you know. As we don't talk am now, say you don't watch am. And this is what Biafra land look like now as we dey talk. For all state for inside Biafra land, people like this don't become many. And before all these things no dey, you know say when you big pikin, you get the time where you go reach. Even this one wey you dey see na the small thing, because more to see are coming. You know, you people go shock. More to see are coming. If you see wetin dey go on, you people go shock. This thing no be by gun. I wish this government go hear word. No be by gun. Na wetin they go do by peaceful way. E no be by gun. And you no get army wey fit stand wetin dey ground. 1970 and now no be the same thing o. We are in 2023, very not few months now, enter 2024. The people wey you dey see now no be people wey you see that time. These people are more dangerous than people wey you dey see before. But they tell una this no be like, you get am for everything. Think you have power. They sell oil until they buy weapon, they buy, they import ship, they do the. You say that by that you go fit use am, you go fit control am, you go fit stand his hand. Now be the thing. No be all those ones wey we dey see, these things wey dey come dance for social media. Now I want to stand men. They don tell una many times. Call for dialogue. Leave Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Call for dialogue. Mo know where these things are coming from. Mo select fish. Come on for. Mo select crayfish. Come on for inside fridge. Una no want. Una want destroy Igbo land. Men they go on. I want destroy Igbo land. But at the end of the day, una go shoot una self for leg. Na so it be. My people, please share this video. Let's quickly go and jump and know wetin they say they go on for the side of a Tinubu government. No be small thing. Stay tuned. They say that a private aircraft with a registration number 5MM convening the Minister of Power Adebayo Adulabo. They say they has crash landed in Ibadan in Oyo State capital. This is happening before our eyes. No be small thing o. And now we no can know wetin come make this aircraft come crash, come put for inside this place. So if videos surface, we will still bring the video up for una to see. But however, we'll jump into the previous matter wey we dey talk before concerning Biafra Liberation Army. My people, no be small thing. You don't see am. When they take government wey be say they no dey hear word. Okay, for example now, if you come now, they get BNG, they get Biafra, they get autopilot, which is Biafra government in exile, and they still get US, which is their own USN are still operating. Okay, remember say they get Mozopo for there, and for recently we will see one hall where they paint. They say they get Biafra government house, and all these things get men's where they work under them. You understand? Then come still put together with people where they willing to join anyone where they move to fight for Biafra. So it's like the whole youth are ready to fight for one cause. And you are telling me that you people can be able to wage the war. Even people in your own military self, the Biafrans and in your own military are willing to join their brothers when you don't read. Even people that not Biafra in your own military are willing to fight along Biafras. How do you think they are getting some machine and some things that are going on? They are from you people as well. And now you think Hope Uzodinma in Imo State think that he can win the war of bringing military to kill his own people. What make you a governor? If the people you are governing don't respect you, they don't listen to you, you can't talk to them, you think it's military power you can be able to rule them with. Maybe when you go to village, you talk to all those village, all those fathers in the village, and you think you are with people. The youth have to be with you. All those students you are gathering every time to shout, hey, this one, that one. You think people are with you. Governors, I'm asking you people. People are not with you people. You have to listen to your youth. Listen or put your ear ground and know what is happening where you are governing. So this is how we find ourselves in this situation today. But you people should not forget that these people you see with gun before never know how to shoot a gun. But you teach them how to swim in the rain. You teach them have to rub themselves mud. You flog them, you give them, you draw the map of their flag in their back with stick, with cane. And today the people have become what you wanted them to become. So who to blame is what I'm asking. Biafra, type in the comment section who to blame. Nah, men, who to blame. Share this video, my people. Share the video and make sure say you subscribe and follow our page. Anywhere you see our page, share the video. We must go viral, spreading the truth or telling them what they're supposed to know. If they like, if they don't like, they must hear them. Share this video.